crafty friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're staying crafty and healthy as well. And if you're new to my channel, hello, I'm Karina. I love to paper craft and also to organize my crafty supplies. So if you are new and are interested in watching these type of videos, just keep on watching. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and to tap that bell so you can get notified when I upload new videos. Thank you very much. And in today's video, I am going to show you 25 Memorydex cards that I put together. And also I'm going to show you the technique that I use on putting together these Memorydex cards. And I'm going to roll the camera so you can watch the 25 Memorydex cards and also the technique on how I put together Memorydex cards. Hello my crafty friends. So here I am. I'm going to show you the 25 Memorydex cards that I put together. And then after I'm going to show you these Memorydex cards, I am going to put together two Memorydex cards, and I'm going to show you my technique. My style is very eclectic, so let's start. This is the final one. As you can see, I used tons of ephemera and stickers. I stitched. I used several collections. This other one, ribbon, jammies, stickers, ephemera. This other one as well. So styling, it's very eclectic. This one I use some packaging that I received from Adriana Alvarez, and I use the jingles and the trims on it, so I didn't waste anything. This other one, I use some of the chipboard stickers from Snow and Cocoa. This other one, I love this one. I received these taggy from one of my pen pals probably 2 years ago in a Christmas swap. This other one is very plain, flat, like for flat mail. This one I use the packaging on Merry Days and use ephemera and more ephemera. Put some foam stickies there. Another one has like sort of like 3D dimension on it. This one, I love this one too. Oh, and then this one, I just love this one. It's, you see here, it's like 3D, and use some of the acetate. Oh, this one is my favorite. It's a shaker, and I use one of the Snow and Cocoa frames and put these together. So this other one, kind of pinky one, I use my dies for this one. Sleigh and reindeers, and this other one, so cute. This is an envelope and a taggy. This other one, I tear some paper out, use some of my dies, snowflake. This is like really plain. One of the taggies from other collections. Another one where I put some jammies. This one I used like a doily, and then use my punch board and some of the taggies, some sequin mixes. And this other one, like a belly band. And this other one. Okay, so now I am going to put together a Memorydex card, the first one, and you're gonna see my technique, how I pick up the colors and things like that. So I'm just going to come back, put this away. I came back and I have 3 Memorydex cards I already punched. I'm not stitching this time. So if you're a new crafter and want to learn my technique, how to come up with an eclectic style, just keep on watching. So I am going to pick this one. This one has patterns, and as you can see, there's like a golden tone of it. So I'm gonna come back closer. Yeah, so you guys can see better. Okay, all right, so I have several like ephemera pieces. So I'm thinking I am going to pick the color. You see that pattern? So since I have a lot of pattern, what I'm going to do, I'm going to pick a ephemera that it's plain, that is not too busy, no more of the 2 colors. And I might put these here, and then I have some more ephemera around here. I like these things. We're talking about Santa. I use this Santa where I put this Santa over here. Hey Santa. And then of course we need like a contrast, right? So I'm going to be using these probably underneath. So before I just lay things around. So this is gonna be my 3D, right? So these 2 are gonna remain flat. As you can see, I remain with the same color. The Santa's hat and this ephemera, they're the same tone of red. And just to make things more interesting, since there's like a golden hue around here, I'm just going to probably put these like that. So we pick up some golden colors, and then the Santa over here. Yeah, so that's how I'm gonna come up with this design. And then probably put some of the sequin mixes, golden sequin mixes that I have around here. And that's how we're gonna be doing this. We got some sequin mixes here, and then the golden ones. Okay, so I am going to put some sequin mixes over here. I'm just gonna put a little dot of glue, and then just put some around here, right? That's it. And then I'm going to, since this is like a triangle, so I just want to, we have gold, gold, we need a third gold, you know, 3 elements to tie things up, right? So I'm tying this Memorydex card with the colors, picking up the colors. So I'm going to put more here, and let's see if I do this. Yeah, okay, all right. See? Right? It's a lot of and hey Santa here and there. If you want to put more layers into these, we may add something more, and I can put this snowflake around here, but it will, because I don't want to put like a color that is going to be too contrasting, and then things are not going to look that great, right? So I'm going to probably do this. Okay, put it in there. Maybe it should go around here. So And then in the center, I'm gonna put snowflake sequin mix. I know, and I have the tool to pick up this. I'm being so lazy now. Okay, so here's the first Memorydex card. A lot of bling bling, as you can see. The color of the letters Hey Santa matches one of the lines here in the background. The same hue, kind of like pink. The red of the Santa hat matches the ephemera. So the contrast color is green. So as you can see, I don't have that many patterns here. I have up to 3 patterns. The background, the leaves from these, and the polka dots. No more than 3 patterns. Always keep your elements in 3s. So, and that's how it eases the eye, you know, and make things a little bit more consistent. Not like a hodgepodge of too many patterns, too many colors. It's busy. You can't focus on the card. Now, let's do the second one. Let me show you one more time here. So let's do the second one. So for this one, I am going to, I just want to use this Bambi. I love it. I love it. There's like so many ephemera pieces that I have in these, and I am going to also use, these came part of the packaging that I got from Adriana Alvarez. I purchased some antlers and sequin and charms, so I love the way the packaging of these. She used foam stickies and stitch, so this is already like done for me. More dimensional. You see, I'm picking up these snowflakes that matches this color. You see that? It's about playing with the colors around and matching things up. Maybe I should add this one around here like that. Yeah. So Mary, Mary, before I glue anything. And then I need to get like a wording. Okay, the wording is there, sorry. I need like a more hollies here just to pick up the pattern of this one. You see the branches probably around here. Yeah, hollies, hollies. And I'm gonna put also this one around here. And then I need like a contrast, a big contrast. So I have like the pattern of the background Mary, the pattern of the paper, and polka dots. And you see the polka dots here in the paper? It matches here, so I need a third element. Oh, I got this rosette too. Huh. Maybe what I can do is, you see, Bambi's here, the rosette on top of that, Holly here, Bambi here, Bambi here, and then Mary around here. Okay, so I am back, and this is what I did. I glue everything, and also I added this mini kind of like a stamp, a cluster of sequin mix. Well, not a mix, because these just are sequins the same color, gold and that. So we have gold, 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 3 elements, the green. Yeah, so these are the 2 Memorydex cards that I put together using simple techniques. Again, my style is eclectic. So I pick up on the colors based on the background and then use the three elements, either on patterns or colors. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and again, just leave me your comments down below if you want to see more techniques on how I put paper crafts together. And thank you for your time, for stopping by, and happy crafting. Bye.